I'm going to be showing you how to install the TV stand legs on the TCL Google TV, just like this, you see. So this is what you're going to do. When you look at the bottom of the TV, you see one leg fits this side, and then the other leg is actually going to fit on the other extreme side, okay, using those holes. Now these are the TV stand legs. These tend to come along with the TV when it's new, and then we have the screws, which are 4, and then you can get a screwdriver to help you. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to get one leg. Okay, you see these holes on the TV, make sure you align them with these holes on the leg. You see that, those 2 holes, make sure you align them with those 2 right there, okay, so that they align, so that the screws can actually go through from outside into inside. Okay, so the first screw, push it through one hole, make sure it traverses through the leg into inside the TV, and then second one right there. Okay, now get your screwdriver and make sure you actually enable them fit very well from the leg into the TV. Okay, yeah, you ought to make sure that the leg is actually firm, okay, as you actually do that using a screwdriver. Okay, make sure it's not actually shaky. Okay, now that's the first leg port, you can see it's firm. Okay, now we go to the other side. Again, you have those 2 holes right there. Okay, you're going to get your leg, the leg. Okay, make sure you align it very well, as long as the holes are actually from the leg actually traversing through into the TV. Put the screws, okay, as previously shown. You see that again, you see that. Okay, it's very important to have the holes aligning. Then get your screwdriver, get the screwdriver and do that. Make sure they fit in very well. That's the first one. Then you see the second one. Okay, yeah, you can see screws are firmly fixed. Okay, one side and then the other side. Those are the TV legs that have actually been installed on the TCL Google TV. Okay, you see that. So right now you can actually lift the TV, and you can see when you place it on a flat surface, it's just like that. Those are the TV legs that have actually been installed on the TCL Google TV.